Hey there guys, it's John Waite here. Thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with this review, are you ready to revolutionize your internet marketing game? Imagine having a team dedicated to crafting your entire online marketing empire, guiding you until you hit that impressive milestone of earning $10,000 per month. If this ambitious journey excites you, then dive into the first link in the description to explore more. Before I do that, I want to tell you about the 4 awesome bonuses that I'm going to give you when you pick this product up through the link below this video. Bonus number 1, I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new subscribers every single Friday. This isn't a method or a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to pick them up, how to get them, and how to mail them with a self-hosted autoresponder that costs between $3 and $12 a month. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you my 2023 free traffic method that is getting me a ton of free traffic to my websites, blogs, and offers. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel to promote Empire Course, so that it's literally like having your own course without needing to do any of the setup or any of the support. And bonus number 4 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first for your selected keyword inside YouTube. So those are the 4 awesome bonuses that you're going to get. So with that said, let's jump straight over and see what this product is all about. But before we do that, don't forget, if you would like me and my team to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then you're going to want to check out the first link in the description. And if you want to pick up this product that I'm reviewing, then you want to check out the second link in the description, and I'll see you on the inside.
In a world where digital presence is everything, businesses are constantly searching for innovative solutions to stand out from the crowd. Introducing FlyQR, the revolutionary app that empowers you to help any business thrive with a high-demand service. FlyQR is not just an app, it's your gateway to offering a unique and essential service. With FlyQR, you can easily design 14 different types of branded, trackable QR codes in a minute or less. And guess what? No design skills are required. It's built for beginners like you. Choose from a wide array of QR code types, including static and dynamic options. Experience real-time QR code previews as you navigate the intuitive design process. Once you're satisfied, instantly download your QR codes in PNG or SVG formats. FlyQR speaks every language, allowing you to design QR codes that resonate globally. Make your QR codes stand out with dozens of ready-made shapes tailored to different business niches. Whether it's a restaurant, a tech startup, or a local service provider, FlyQR has the perfect design elements to make an impact. Editing and managing your QR codes has never been easier. FlyQR allows you to tweak and fine-tune your designs easily. Stay in control and keep your QR codes up to date with ease. Access detailed analytics to track how your QR codes are performing over time. Understand your audience better and refine your approach for maximum impact. Users love FlyQR. Join the community of satisfied customers who are already making a difference in the digital landscape. Not only does FlyQR offer a high-demand service to businesses, but it also opens up opportunities for you. Consider offering professional QR code design services on freelancing sites and watch your business soar. FlyQR provides everything you need to get started today. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Download FlyQR now and unlock the power of branded, trackable QR codes for businesses. FlyQR, your key to making a lasting impact in the digital world. Download now and let your business take flight.